Lavender has the flowers and the leaves. Can we make essential oil from both of them? The answer is yes. We can make lavender essential oil from either the flower or the leaf. However, their scents are totally different. The reason comes from their different chemical composition, and that even leads to the different benefits. In this video, I will talk about the essential oils made from the flowers and the leaves and what are the difference. The answer lies in the nature of the plant. So firstly, let's see why plant has a flower and a leaf. The plant has a flower only in certain season. The main reason is for the reproduction. The flower open, bloom, and they release the scents. Most of the time are very fragrant floral scents, and that will call for the pollinators. And the pollinator, like bees, they can smell the scents from tens and even hundreds of meters away. And when they come, the flower will warm them with honey, pollen, and help them to reproduce. But the leaf are working in a totally different way. Leaf grows year-round, and for most of the plants, they normally have two functions. The first is photosynthesis to generate the nutrients for the growth of the plant. They build the backbone of the plant. The second is to protect the plant from the invasion of the insects and animals. One interesting fact about the plant is like a basil, when they got invasion of the insects, they will release the strong smell, and that smell will call for the nature plants, and they will do the same thing and release the chemical and build a cloud of the strong scent to help the group to protect them from the invasion. So because of the function are different between the flower and the leaf, most of the flowers has a strong floral scents. And for example, the rose, chamomile, and these are popularly used for making the fragrance. But the leaves, because they take the job of the protection, and these give you a more stronger antibacterial, antimicrobial, antifungal properties. Now let's use a lavender example. Lavender flower is popularly used to make lavender essential oil rather than the lavender leaf. It doesn't mean you cannot use a leaf, but the reason is the yield. The yield of the lavender essential oil from the flower is 5 times higher than the yield from the leaf. So economically, you can make more oil from the flower than the leaf just for the lavender plants. Not all the plants have the same, just for lavender, this is how the oil is made or distributed in the plants. Not only for that, but also their scents, their composition are quite different between each other. For the oil made from the lavender buds, there are major compounds including the linalool and the linalyl acetate. Those two chemicals bring a strong floral scent of the lavender. But the oil made from the leaf, these two compositions, the ratio reduce significantly. And the camphor and the eucalyptus, those two compounds, they raise a lot. So camphor and the eucalyptus has much stronger antibacterial, and also it has a stronger harsh the smell. So that brings a difference between these two oils. Since you already know the difference between the lavender, so that means you want to know more about herbs, this channel is exactly for you. And we focus on the plants, different herbs, what is the ways to extract them, and how to use the different extraction to benefit our skin, our hair, our body. Like the video, sign up to the channel, and you won't miss the wonderful video. For many oils made from the flowers, such as a rose, chamomile, they have a stronger floral scents, and their benefits including it helps us calm, help adjust the mood, and it's a wonderful work as aromatherapy for reduce the stress, and also it gives benefits on our skin. Like rose water have the anti-aging and anti-wrinkle and whitening skin the benefits. On the other hand, for the oil made from the leaves like rosemary, oregano, thyme, and mint, they have much stronger antibacterial and antifungal properties. Those are wonderful for the skincare. And for example, the rosemary essential oil even used in the food industry to help protect the meat from the rotten. And besides the antibacterial, antimicrobial benefits, it also have the stimulating, like rosemary can increase the memory. And they also give benefits to our respiratory system, like eucalyptus hydrosol, they can help improve the airflow in our breathing systems. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something about the difference of the essential oil made from the flower and the leaf, and how can we take benefits from the different lavender essential oils. So please like the video, share, subscribe to the channel, become a member. This is Dr. Liu from LeTime. See you next time.